Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ashley and I'm back again with another video. We're starting off 2020 so freaking lit. We're literally into our second video for the year. What up guys? What's good? 2020 is gonna be lit. Alright guys, so thanks so much for tuning in. If you read the title, then you know what today's video is gonna be about. So today is a special little video I had up my sleeve. If you read the title, then you know I'm gonna be doing Smash or Pass Celebrity Edition. Yes guys, I said it. Celebrity Edition, Smash or Pass. We are gonna see who your girl gives the little smash in the past to. This is just a disclaimer. I am single. Yes, guys, I'm single in 2020. This is just a disclaimer. Yes, guys, I am single, so I'm not gonna be offending anyone with these smashes or passes. So let's just get that out the way. Boom. Alright, so I wasn't really sure how to do this video because it is going to just be me by myself. Yeah, it's going to be me by myself doing the Smash or Pass, but I thought it would be a very fun video to do, and I've never done this before. I always see YouTubers doing this video, so I thought it'd be a fun video to do, and you guys know I love doing all the fun stuff. So let's get right into the video now. Alright guys, so pretty much what I did was I gathered random pics. I just went online, searched celebrity smash or pass, and I just got 7 random pics of each guy and girl. So I am going to be smashing and passing both female and male celebrity. And I guess for the females, because I'm not gay, I don't swing both sides. So with the females, I guess we're just going to see it as if I was a male in a male perspective. And I feel like this is something girls do all the time. Like when we see other girls out, we're like, ooh, she's pretty. Ooh, she bang. Ooh, girl, your makeup today is on point. Ooh, girl, your boobs look so good in that shirt today. That's that gauge. See, y'all, that's what I'm telling you. It's like girls, we sometimes slip up and have our little gay moments, but overall, another disclaimer, I'm not gay. Alright, so let's get right into the video. So, as I was saying, all I pretty much did was grabbed random celebrities from online, just on the internet, literally off of Safari. And yeah, those are the ones I'm going to be smashing or passing today. So let's see who gets the green light and who gets the red light. And yeah, so pretty much I have them on my phone here, and I'm just going to show you guys what's going on. So I'm really excited to do this. I've never done a smash or pass, but I've always been a fan of these videos, so let's hop right into it. Okay, so pretty much how I picked the celebrities is I have 7 guy celebrities. Seven. I have 7 guy celebrities and I have 7 women celebrities. Well, girl celebrities. So let's get right into the video. Oh yeah, and I also have these 2 flashcards. So I have a smash here, and then I also have a pass here. And then they both have hearts in the end because at the end of the day, it's all love. Alright, so let's get into the video. My first hitter on the list is going to be Halle Berry. So this is the picture of Halle that I got online, and she actually looks really good. She's really pretty. I'm a fan of Halle Berry. She's a great actress, so I'm gonna go ahead and give her that young smash. You heard, I would smash Halle Berry if I had a dangling. Y'all, that's gonna be my baby mama. We gonna be set for life. Alright, next smash or pass, we have Sandra Bullock. She is also an actress. This is the picture I got of her online. Sandra Bullock, I really think she's a good actress. Oh, she actually just had that new movie, Bird Box. Was it called Bird Box? It was called Bird Box. Boy, girl, boy, girl. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and give her a smash just for saying those lines, period. Just for saying boy, girl, you're gonna get the smash. Like, bruh, come on. So the next person on my list, ooh, it's actually a guy, Lil Wayne. So this is one of my guy celebrities, Lil Wayne. Whew. Okay. Before we continue this game, there might be some idols in here that I've always liked as a child. Just saying. Wayne happens to be one of them, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and give him that young smash. No more words. This game just got real. No more words. All right, next person on my list, Ariana Grande. I love Ariana Grande's music. Honestly, she's just so dainty and so cute, and I've always loved her. So, does a pass flashcard even exist in this video? Like, Ariana Grande, this is for you. Smash. All right, so the next person on my list, Chris Brown. Chris Brown is super nice. I love him. He's honestly like the modern day Michael Jackson. He's so talented. He is literally a GOAT. Like, he dances, he acts, he sings bomb. He's the king of R&B. I mean, it's Chris Brown, y'all. It's Chris Brown. Chris Brown. All right, so the next person on my list, Nicki Minaj. I'm just gonna make this easy again, y'all. Easy again. It's a smash for me. It's a smash. Now, if I was a guy, I wouldn't know what to really do with all of that, you know, because she kind of healthy in all areas. So if I was a guy, I wouldn't really know how to, but I would smash. I would smash. And Simone, because it's Nicki Minaj. Like, then she'll put me in a song if I lay the pipe down right. Yeah, we going global. I'm giving you a smash, period. That's my bet too, so period. Next on the list is Joyner Lucas. Joyner Lucas. I'm not really a big fan of his music. I mean, I've heard a few songs from him. He's more of like a lyricist when it comes to music, and he gives a message. But I don't know, I don't find Joyner Lucas attractive. I don't really find Joyner Lucas also cute. That's just my preference alone. I mean, the dude makes music. The music's cool. I don't really listen to it. I don't bump it. So I'm going to go ahead and give Joyner a pass. Sorry, Joyner. Had to do it to you. It's all love, but gotta hit you with that pass, buddy. Next. All right. So the next person on my list is Rihanna. Ooh. Rihanna in this thing, Rihanna in this thing, Rihanna. I'm gonna have to give her a smash, not only because I reviewed her Fenty makeup and I'm in love with it, but because she is a freaking goddess. She is so pretty, her music's bomb, and she's now off onto entrepreneurship with her business, and her business is going beautiful. So shout out to Rihanna, because she is literally a mogul, and I will smash that. Period. I don't even gotta be, let me just smash. All right, next person on my list is J. Cole. Well, I love his music. I love J. Cole's music. I listen to it all the time. Forest Hill album was dope. I really appreciate him for that album. I have a few faves on there. But him as a person, him as a man, for me and my type, he just isn't really cutting it like that for me. So I gotta hit bro with the pass. But hey, I'll tune into the next album for sure, because I know he coming with some heat. But I'm sorry, J. Cole, it's a pass, buddy. So the next person on my list is Drake. Okay, like, do I need to say any more? Do I just show the card? Or I mean, come on, guys. Drake? It's Drake, y'all. So the next person on my little smash or pass list is Beyonce. Now, I know that this is a lot of you guys out there, your favorite artist. I understand that a beehive exists for this woman. She's definitely a legend. She definitely put some work in the music industry, and she makes good music, you know. I'm personally going to give Beyonce a smash. You know, she probably needs it, deserves it after all the hard work she be putting in. I will smash. I'm going to smash her. She deserves it. Shout out to Jay-Z. All right, the next person on my smash or pass list, the next person is Don Q. He is a rapper. I don't know where he's from. This is what he looks like, Don Q. I'm gonna have to give bruh a pass. One, because I don't listen to his music, and two, he just isn't really my type. I would just pass, okay? Pass. Next person on my list is A$AP Rocky. Okay, we can all tell by the tone in my voice what my card that's finna pull up is going to be, but let's just look at this man like, oh my God. Bruh, he's a fashion killer. Wait. I'm a fashion killer and he's a trendy nigga. So it's a duo. Like, it just goes. What is that song called? I used to love that song, Fashion Killer by A$AP Rocky. Like, honestly, he's a Libra. He's into fashion. His hair be on point. He's chocolate. Need I say more? Need I say more? A$AP. Need I say more? It's a smash, king. It's a smash from me. Just saying. All right, and I think we only have one more person left to do a. So this is the last person on the smash or pass list. Are you guys ready? Let's do a drum roll. Was that good enough? Was that loud enough? I hope so. All right, so the last person on my smash or pass list is Mariah Carey. Mariah Carey. Ah! Yes, Mariah Carey. Okay, so before I give my judgment on her, I just want to say I love her. I love her music. I still listen to her till this day. Like, her new album that she just dropped, I believe her last album drop was 2018. It was such a good album. I love the music on there. I like the songs Portrait and One More Again. Those two songs I love to death. And I love Mariah Carey. Even as a child growing up, I was always a fan. Like, I just remember everyone in my family always bumping her music, and me and my sisters and everyone just dancing, singing along. I used to sing my heart out to Mariah Carey. Okay, girl. Okay. When I tell you karaoke went up for Mariah Carey, bruh. Karaoke went up for Mariah Carey, okay? So as a child, I always looked up to her and her music. Following her in her career, I am such a big fan. Even down to everyone she has kids with, like Nick Cannon, all her marriages. I really love Mariah Carey. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and give my girl a smash. Smash for Mariah Carey. Because, girl, you deserve it. You're the bomb and you're the best. Ashley said it. Alright guys, well thank you so much for tuning in. This video was a lot of fun to film. I had a lot of fun smashing and passing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Comment down below if you'd like to see me do this again. I can do YouTuber edition. I got a lot of stuff up my sleeve. So if you guys would like to see me do any more videos, comment down below. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, because I will be watching and I will see if you did a thumbs up and if you didn't do a thumbs up. But also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop a new video in 2020. And I will see you guys next time. All right, guys, stay lit. Bye. Peace.